Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. In this video, we are going to make God Ganesha painting on a peepal leaf. Now I am copying the outline of Ganesha on the dried peepal leaf from the paper using a permanent marker. I am keeping the dry leaf over a white paper to paint, to secure my table and to get a good visibility of the color. Now I am using acrylic skin color to make the base layer. Make the color little watery so it will be easy for you to apply it on the dry leaf. Always don't hesitate to make the second layer of color after the first layer dries so that your color will look more vibrant. I have used burnt sienna for the darker areas and the outline part. Always mix the color to the right consistency that you need for your painting in a palette and then do the painting. Don't use the paint directly from the paint bottle. I will also make a video on how to make a dry skeleton of a peepal leaf. So kindly check my channel for the video. After completing the basic skin tone, I am using burnt sienna to make the outlines. Blend in the burnt sienna with skin color to make the darker areas of the skin tone. It will be good to work with fine liner brush like 000 or 00 as these are very thin lines. Now I am using deep purple color as the base color for the veshti. After completing the base color, I am using maroon to make the darker areas of the veshti. Gently blend in the maroon color with the deep purple color. I am repeating the same process on the other side of the veshti too. With burnt sienna, I have marked the outline for the eyes and eyebrows. For the lotus, I have used white as the base color and with deep purple I have marked the borders of the petals and I blended the purple color with white to make the darker folds of the lotus. Now for the turban I have used light green as the base color and with darker shade of green I am marking the outlines and I blend the dark green with lighter shade of green. to make the darker areas of the turban. repeating the same process for the other side of the turban too. For the pallu part of the turban, I have used Celurian blue as the darker color and sky blue for the lighter shade, and I have blended in both. I'm sorry for the bad lighting here. For the Kolkata pudding in God's hand, I have used white and lemon yellow mixed as a base layer, and with orange I have marked the borders and the darker areas of the pudding. Already with white I have painted the inner part of the eye. Now with black I am painting the eyebrows and the pupil of the eye. Now with white as the base color, I am blending the white and black to get the shades of grey and paint the mushiga. Use black to outline the mushiga and draw its moustache. Now by mixing burnt sienna and black, I am painting the weapon in the god's hand. By using a gold color 3D outliner, I am going to do the jewel parts of the god. I am using a blue color 3D liner to fill the stone areas on the crown. I am using a white 3D liner to keep small dots to give pearl effect in the end of the cloths. With black color, I am outlining the 3D liner. By doing so, I am highlighting the liner work. I feel like something is missing, and so by using golden acrylic color, I am painting the corner of the leaf to give it a good vibrant look. If you like my video, kindly like, share and comment me on this video. To highlight the edges of the leaf, I am going to mark it with golden color 3D liner. If you are new, kindly subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. Thank you for watching the complete video.